Hey, I'm Lauren. Welcome to another review of the Curateur Box. This box we are going to be focusing on the summer curation, which I just got today, and I am so excited to talk about it. So first thing I want to say was shipping this time was incredibly fast. Like, it went out way earlier than it normally does, which was really surprising and exciting for me, so I could create this review for you guys. So in this box, there are 5 items total that come as like your core box, and then you can do add-ons beyond that. So in this box, I'm wearing 2 of the pieces already. There is this Melinda Maria Star Lariat necklace, which I love so much. So this particular piece I really was excited about because it has a paperclip chain, which is just so different and fun compared to a lot of stuff in my jewelry box. Curateur oftentimes does like at least one type of jewelry within their boxes. And I personally really enjoy this because I am not someone who really buys a lot of jewelry for themselves. But like, I love jewelry. Like, I think it's so fun and trendy. So like, I love having those types of pieces like this sent to me. And I love the style of this necklace. I think it is so beautiful. I'm gonna go check out her website, and there's also a discount code included if you are signed up in Curateur and you get it in your little pamphlet. The next thing that we'll talk about is this Walter Baker little caftan, the Tulum caftan. And I am also really excited about this because it's very light and it's kind of hard to see here, but it actually is a little bit sheer and it's pretty lightweight. The nice thing about this, it does come as one size. The nice thing about this particularly is that it has like an adjustable little like cinching that you can do. So you can wear it like loose and open, or if you wanted to, you can actually tie this in the front. I'm sorry, it's kind of hard to see. You can actually tie it in the front here though. So it's a really great option if you wanted to wear it as like a beach cover up. You can wear it over just like a tank top. You could wear this with shorts. Like, I think like cut off shorts would be really, really cute with this for more of like a casual look. It has a lot of versatility. Like, I just think that you can really kind of dress it up or dress it down. It's got this really like bold floral print on it. I really, really like this. The other option for the add-on is also from Walter Baker. It's a towel, like a really nice beach towel. But this I just felt was more practical and a way to update my closet. And I'm all about that. And that's why I love Curateur. So the next thing that comes in this box is the Rachel Zoe Capri Tote, which is like not quite canvas. It's like I think like a linen weave on here, but super, super cute, light for summer. It's got these great black handles, which I believe she uses all vegan leather for her products. Nice deep bucket style, and it's got some little like phone holder, lip gloss holder, etc. And there's also a zipper on the inside. The nice thing about this tote is it goes over the shoulder very easily. You've got plenty of space here. So you know, you can just kind of like, you have to use your other hand, at least I do, to slide it up. Look how cute that is. I love that. It's such a great update for the season. And especially because I don't always go out and buy myself bags, kind of like jewelry. I just don't. Like, I spend most of my money on makeup, let's be real. So that's something I love so much about Curateur is it's automatically given to me like through my subscription. I don't have to worry about it, and I still feel really cute and trendy with the pieces that they send me. So big fan of this also. I'm going to put this to use. And I like that it's got the black handles too, because like a lot of times summery pieces don't really feel like luxe. They don't feel high end, but I feel like this black piping on the edge of it really just takes it up a notch. And I think that's so cute. Also, it kind of just goes with like everything in my closet. All right, so the next thing in this box is the Onekind Golden State Nourishing Facial Oil with carrot seed and rose hip. And this is like very interesting. Carrot seed, if you've never smelled it, has like a very herbaceous kind of scent. And I personally have really enjoyed products that I've had in the past that have this particular oil in it. And rose hip is amazing because it's a really high source of vitamin A. but I put some of this oil on my hand earlier. You can see it's got that beautiful golden color. What I liked so much about it, I haven't used it on my face yet. Again, this is brand new, and also with skincare, I take a long time to review stuff. But I will say from like a first impressions of this, it absorbs really quickly. Like it doesn't leave you feeling greasy, which is something that I really appreciate in a facial oil. It does have that herbaceous scent, but it feels lovely on the skin, and I think I'm gonna really enjoy that. I had some issues with the Hue and Grace oil that was in the previous box because it had blue tansy, and I think I'm allergic to blue tansy oil. My face would always feel itchy after I applied it. Like, I think the first time wasn't so bad, and then like after that, like after I put more on, I was like, oh, I think I might actually be allergic to this. So yeah, which kind of brings me into the last included product in the box, which is this Marc Jacobs Recover Hydrating Coconut Lip Oil. I'm probably gonna gift this to someone else for a couple of reasons. A, I don't love lip oils. I don't like the texture of them. I think they're too thin. They don't stay on my lips ever. But B, and this is the biggest reason, I don't even want to try it. Coconut oil makes my perioral dermatitis flare, and I don't really want to have that on my lips where it could potentially like bump onto areas that you know, I flare based on this ingredient that's like the whole product is based off of. So I'm gonna lovingly give this to a different person who will love it, because that person is just not me, unfortunately. I mean, I think that this is a really nice thing to include, but unfortunately, if you're someone like myself and you have like issues with coconut oil, or you just don't really like lip oils, you know, it is what it is. So now I want to talk about, I did 2 add-ons this box, one of which is the Gua Sha Rose Quartz tool from Skin Gym. And what I wanted to try with this specifically, it has like such a nice shape to hug your face, to really get in there to massage. But also I really liked this side of it because you could hug in here. That's where I tend to get so much like facial swelling and just kind of puffiness. I also like that it had kind of this longer finger. When I do gua sha on my face, like I end up kind of using this tool to like really massage in between my eyebrows. I get a lot of tension right through here. I don't know if I'm always doing this or what, but I really liked the shape of this tool, and also that it's not like enormous. Like the nice thing about this, you could stuff this in your makeup bag if you're like traveling or something like that. So that felt like a really great thing to add on. And that's in the shop. The other add-on that I got is this Volo hair towel. Now, okay, I'm like really excited about this. I know this is a weird thing to be excited about, but it's like this microfiber material, right? It's kind of got this waffle pattern to it. And then on the back, it's got like that little elastic. So when you wrap your hair, you can stuff the back of the turban back down into there. But the reason I'm excited about this, I have the Aquas hair towels, which I've really loved. I've enjoyed them for a long time. Over time, I feel like they've kind of almost like flattened out a little bit. I don't know. I kind of like the fluffiness of a towel. But also, if you have ever heard of the podcast Los Angeles, Kirby Johnson, she's a beauty editor, tries lots of different things. She posted about this towel on her Instagram, and I was like, do we like this better than the Aquas towel? And she said yes. So when I saw this in the shop, I was like, I have to give it a try. So I will have to update later on at some point. I'll probably put it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there, because then you'll actually see more updates on the stuff that I'm trying. But I'm very excited to try this out, and it feels like a little baby bunny or something. It is so incredibly soft. So that is my Curateur roundup this time. I love this box. I'm really excited about everything in it, I would say, except for this lip oil. But I mean, that's like my own personal reasons, like why. I mean, you know, I can't love everything in every box. But I really enjoy this box so much. If you're interested in trying it out down below, I will put a link. It's an affiliate code. I get a little kickback if you do shop through that and get your first box. Also, there is a referral code, which I will also attach down below, which gives me a little extra reward points for the shop. So I hope that you've enjoyed this review. If you did, please make sure to like it, give it a little thumbs up, helps other people to find my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and you'll see all kinds of beauty updates and oftentimes Curateur reviews. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.